Experiencing mysterious engine noise in your high-performance Porsche? Call Doylestown Auto Repair today before it's too late. As Eastern Pennsylvania's European car specialists, we've seen firsthand how oil failures can damage precision engines like the 2019 Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 Clubsport. Oil failures lead to catastrophic timing chain damage. When oil breaks down or runs low, your timing chain stretches and wears prematurely. This causes misfires, rough idling, and eventually complete engine failure. Our comprehensive oil failure diagnosis includes detailed oil analysis, pressure testing, and viscosity checks to catch problems early. Our timing chain services include complete inspection of chain tensioners, guides, and sprockets. We replace worn components with OEM quality parts and perform precise timing adjustments. We also address root causes like oil pump failures and clogged passages that lead to lubrication problems. Don't let oil failures destroy your investment. Follow for real Euro repair advice.